Good morning everyone. Today I, your English educator Neha Pruthi is here and we'll start a new chapter, that is the country mouse and the town mouse. So there arises a question that what is more preferable in life? Find food with constant fear of being caught and killed, or just freedom which enables you for the access to simple food and simple living, right? This chapter is based on the same thing, that either the fine food is okay with you with the safety of life, or you need rich delicacies and dainties over your table, but again you have a constant fear of being caught and killed, right? So this story is about a mouse, the country mouse, the rural mouse who lives in a small village, and he is very laborious. He used to collect his food by going into the fields, and he used to collect all sorts of grains, and he has a huge larder is a storehouse storage. So he has a huge larder for the food, right? One fine day he invites his uncle, the town mouse, and the uncle comes to his house, and the uncle says that this is the food which you relished the whole day. Although the country mouse has given the best of the food to him, but that best of the food was not treated as the best food by this uh, town mouse, right? Town mouse says that, is this the food which you enjoy throughout the year? This is not worth eating. Country mouse, in this, he gets upset and he says, see, I am a hardworking mouse. I collected by going into the fields, and then I store this in my storage so that we can all enjoy. And what is the fault in this food? Then the town mouse says, why don't you come to my place one fine day, and there you will find all the delicacies. So to this he agrees, and country mouse just goes and pays a visit to town mouse. And there town mouse, on his way, he just warns country mouse that you should not be visible to anyone, else you will be caught and killed. So at this he was very baffled. The country mouse was very baffled. Why he is giving such a warning? Because country mouse was used to in the habit of freedom. He was used to the freedom only. So the town mouse, when he began, he just entered into a hole, and from that hall they have entered into the dining hall where the rich dainties were kept. And when they were up, they trotted on the table, and when they were about to eat those dishes over the table, the meat on the table, some people come. Then those people started eating the food. So the country mouse was given an assurance by the town mouse that enough of the food will be left even after they eat it. So when they have eaten the food, those people have left, and now when the two mice have come out for eating the food, who comes? A servant with the two dogs have come. Dogs have sensed out that the mice are there, and he started scratching the hole from where these mice have entered. So after the deliberate actions by the dog, they were scratching it very badly, but these mice do not come out, and they were able to save their life. So as the servant went away with the dogs, was decided by the country mouse that he is going to leave this place. And he says to the town mouse that I am fine with my lifestyle because I am getting the normal food, fine food to eat, but there is surety and security and freedom of my life, unlike you that there is a constant fear of being caught. So I don't want all this thing. So this is the chapter, and he says that as the servant has gone away with the dogs, I am also going away, and it is better to live happily with very little, and I am very satisfied with my life, rather than living with abundance, but then again you are in the fear of your life. So this is the story. I hope it is very clear to you, and the next chapter we will start in the next video.